Are you searching for the best 3 metal plasma cutting machines that make metal cutting faster, cleaner, and precise? Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, hobbyist, or professional fabricator in the USA, picking the right plasma cutter can be overwhelming. Don't worry. Today, we'll break down 3 top-rated plasma cutters that combine powerful performance, dual voltage support, and user-friendly features. From home workshops to industrial projects, these machines are built to handle all types of metal cutting tasks efficiently. Stick around as we explore each product's pros, cons, and real customer feedback, helping you choose the perfect plasma cutter for your needs. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your projects perfectly. Product 1. BestArc Display Plasma Cutting Machine. The BestArc Display Plasma Cutter offers precision and portability with its LED display for voltage and amperage. Pros: easy to use, lightweight, smooth cuts. Cons: short torch cable, learning curve for beginners. Customer reviews: users praise its accuracy and setup speed. Exceeded my expectations, professional cuts even for beginners. Product 2. Haxiaoer Display Frequency Plasma Cutter. The Haxiaoer Plasma Cutter features advanced inverter technology with dual voltage flexibility for home or professional use. Pros: stable performance, compact, portable. Cons: may require air compressor, slightly noisy. Customer reviews: customers love its durability and efficiency. Cuts steel and aluminum effortlessly, saves time and energy. Product 3. Forney Dual Voltage Plasma Cutter. The Forney Dual Voltage Plasma Cutter is powerful and versatile, supporting 110 voltage and 220 voltage inputs. Pros: precise thick metal cuts, durable, dual voltage. Cons: heavier consumables may wear faster. Customer reviews: users highlight robust performance and accuracy. Flawless cuts every time, perfect for DIY and industrial projects. Thanks for watching our review of the best 3 metal plasma cutting machines. If this video helped, like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews. Check the Amazon links in the description to grab your ideal plasma cutter today and take your metal projects to the next level with ease.